Corbin from Hudly here today to show you the team's top 5 favorite apps for your new Hudly head-up display and to tell you what we love most about them. Number 1 on our list is an app that was designed from the ground up to work seamlessly with the Hudly wireless. I'm of course talking about the Hudly app. Drive safer and smarter with turn-by-turn navigation, vehicle health stats, and a GPS road speedometer, all designed specifically for use on the Hudly head-up display. Use the innovative split-screen feature to bifurcate data, allowing you to do more and see more with your head-up display. Number 2 on our list is Waze GPS, specifically when using the night mode setting. Waze is great because it's Google-owned and crowdsourced, showing you things like road hazards, speed traps, and live traffic alerts. We like Waze because it fits into the Hudly mantra of being a proactive driver. Number 3 on the list is a classic, Google Maps in the night mode setting. Google Maps is a simplistic navigation tool that shows you road speed limits and other useful tidbits in an always updated and easy-to-use platform. Number 4. For our Android fanboys, Torque offers you a sleek set of customizable gauges that feed you live data from your car, like speed, fuel levels, coolant temp, check engine lights, and more. For our Apple lovers, OBD Fusion provides a similar experience that is crafted for your iPhone. Number 5. Last but certainly not least is Sygic, who has engineered a navigation platform that goes beyond just your typical navigation instructions. They offer a plethora of add-ons like 3D maps and a dedicated head-up display mode, which looks great on the Hudly wireless. And there you have it, folks, our 5 favorite apps. For more information on these apps, you can click on the link above. And to order the Hudly Vehicle Health Monitor and connect your head-up display with your car like never before, check out the description below for more information.